Are you sure you're not training just one part of your glutes? Watch this. Kettlebell Romanian deadlift. Keep your back flat, push hips back, and feel your glutes working. Kettlebell glute bridge. Drive through your heels, lift your hips, and squeeze your glutes at the top. Kettlebell side kickback. Control every lift, keep your core tight, and push through the side glute. Kettlebell sumo squat. Open your stance, stay low, and power up through your glutes. Save this and come back stronger. Each exercise hits a different part of your shoulders. Watch this. Single arm lateral raise. Dumbbell steering wheels. Rear delt row. Dumbbell front row. Around the world. Save this and come back stronger. These 4 moves target every angle of your glutes. Save this and come back stronger. Think you're doing planks right? Watch this. Save this and come back stronger. Change your grip, change your gains. Here's how it works. Save this and come back stronger. Stop squatting the same way every time. Watch this. Quads. Glutes. Inner thighs. Save this and come back stronger. Most people train glutes wrong on this machine. Don't be one of them. Save this and come back stronger. One small tweak changed my legs completely. Watch this. Quads. Glutes. Hamstrings. Save this and come back stronger. Think you're doing lat pull-downs right? Think again. Here's what you're missing. Save this and come back stronger. All you need is a pair of dumbbells for this workout. Save this and come back stronger. This is why your glutes aren't growing. Watch this. Glutes. Quads. Save this and come back stronger. Want powerful legs? Avoid these leg press mistakes. Save this and come back stronger. Who knew a chair could challenge your entire body like this? Save this and come back stronger.